Okay guys, this is another project that I'm starting. This is like a jewelry slash lingerie slim dresser. So it has a mirror on top to put away your jewelry or your watches or trinkets in there. It has a mirror and it has, let's see how many drawers I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drawers. And I'm going to be painting it a little bit off-white color. And so I have the drawers over here. So I have 4 on that side and 2 over here. So I'm going to be putting a first coat on it. I already prepped it. It has been sanded slightly and it's very smooth. And again, it's just a quick update for my little lingerie dresser and jewelry. So anyways, I'm gonna start by putting the first coat, because since this is a dark color, it would need a couple of coats. Okay, these are the 6 drawers that now I'm ready to put the first coat on the paint on them. And let me move the camera so you can see the outcome of the slim lingerie dresser plus trinkets with the mirror. And I already put 2 coats on it, but I think it might need a slight third coat of paint. But pretty much I'm just waiting for it to get dry. So I'm gonna work on the drawers now, and these drawers don't have any hardware. So. Okay guys, so this is the end result of my do-it-yourself lingerie chest lash jewelry. It has a mirror on the top and it goes all the way down. It's a skinny little dresser for lingerie, and it's all finished. It looks really nice. If you haven't subscribed to my channel on YouTube, please subscribe and click the like button. Thank you.